Thanks to this, goodbye to the sexual problems with your couple. Today, because of the frenetic pace that we all have, not only men but also women have libido problems. And if we talk about men, there is the dreaded problem of erection. With the advice of this video, all that disappeared. One of the best aphrodisiacs there is a cherry. This fruit has a great stimulating property and knows how to excite the senses of those who consume it. For this very reason, you are likely to be interested in knowing their properties and ways of use. With this ingredient you will not have sexual problems again, guaranteed. Cherry is one of the many aphrodisiac remedies that exist within this broad spectrum. It was always intimately linked with these properties, since it is a fruit with a strong stimulating quality. Surely, you'll already be aware of it, but do you know how to consume the cherry to get its aphrodisiac benefits? Get it. How to take the cherry? 1. In cooking recipes. Incidentally, for a long time has been used in the kitchen of several countries for these purposes, especially in the cuisine of the East in general. Serves mainly salad dressings. 2. In juices. Cherry juice, in addition to being great, is very good for combating sexual problems. In addition, you can put other ingredients like milk or yogurt. It is exquisite. Why not try it? What is the use of the cherry? However, the health benefits of cherry consumption do not end there. In the following video you will be able to know all your healthy properties. 1. For the insomniac. Do you usually suffer from insomnia? If so, you will be interested to know that cherry is also an effective home remedy to reduce this problem. 2. For the skin. On the other hand, studies with patients who consumed 3 grams of cherry daily in capsules for 10 weeks, found a considerable reduction of skin problems. 3. For back pain. The cherry, with onion and cucumber, is an effective remedy to improve these pains. 4. For sore throat. Combine the cherry with parsley and you will have a very good homemade remedy, totally natural, to combat